Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about an app I've been using recently called Setmore. I'm not sponsored by this company or anything, but I genuinely think it's a great tool for anyone who needs to manage their appointments. So what is Setmore? In short, it's an online appointment scheduling software. It's designed for small businesses and individuals who need to book appointments with clients or customers. Some examples of businesses that might use Setmore include hair salons, massage therapists, fitness trainers, and even doctors. Here are some of the key features of Setmore. Online booking. Clients can book appointments online 24/7, which is great for your availability and convenience. Customizable booking forms. You can create custom booking forms to collect the information you need from your clients, such as their name, email address, phone number, and appointment type. Automated email reminders. Setmore can send automated email reminders to your clients about their upcoming appointments. This helps to reduce no-shows and ensure that your clients are on time for their appointments. Calendar integration. Setmore integrates with Google Calendar and other calendar apps, so you can keep track of your appointments in one place. Mobile app. Setmore has a mobile app, so you can manage your appointments on the go. In addition to these features, Setmore also offers a number of other features, such as staff scheduling. You can create staff profiles and assign appointments to them. Payment processing. You can accept payments online through Setmore. Reporting. You can track your bookings and see how your business is doing over time. So who is Setmore for? Setmore is for anyone who needs to manage their appointments. It's a great tool for small businesses, individuals, and anyone who wants to save time and improve their productivity. I've been using Setmore for a few months now, and I'm really happy with it. It's easy to use, and it's helped me to manage my appointments more efficiently. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for an appointment scheduling software. If you're interested in learning more about Setmore, you can visit their website or check out their YouTube channel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and healthy.